Pulit jong Ri Bhoi district minta kasi kala pynshlur ki Pulit officer bat kumjuru kilang road ki blatre shitam man ai ga jing shakri ka babahatam ban iakhun pyrshah ya ki kam sniew bat ban penne ya ka shangsuk shangsan Ri Bhoi district hakate ka jingalang sam khusnam bala pelong haphalau ka office USP la wan ru ban shimbenta Daka kong ida shisha nongrang DGP ka jila kum ka kongsan haka jingdalang superintendent of police ka Ri Bhoi Ujakpal Singh Dhanu additional SP ka Ri Bhoi uba banralang jerwa bat kiwi ki Pulit officer ka Ri Bhoi nalor ka jing sam khusnam she ki Pulit kibla ai ka jing shakri hakiliang bapher bante la kam yaki kam sniew na kaliang katanat Pulit kalapun ko buram ru ya arngot kinong ya khunti katanat Pulit bakan thop ya UPC Alan Marbanyang bat ka WPC Wandalin Simyong na 6 Battalion Umran kibala wanra kaburam ya katanat Pulit ka jila hadien bakilayo bankur ya katak maksiar na kalimpung ya kunkti belatip kum ka 73 All India Police Wrestling Cluster Arhajar Arpsaw kabla long dangshan halokno habakran hakatay kasngi nakaliang kokong ida shisha nongrang kala ay ka jingero yabaro ki Pulit kibaladan benta ban ay ka jing shakri kababahatam bat ban treshitam ban iakhun yaki kam sniew kam sme haka district kamtam ki Pulit kibalayo priang yaki khusnam bakindang a shushu ka jing shakri kabakambha haka kam kabakitrei na kabenta kabha kamyan bat ka shongsuk shongsan haka district.
All gazetted officers, other officers and men, a very warm and good evening to all of you. Today, as we know, we have gathered so that our Honorable DGP ma'am can distribute rewards and commendations to all the officers and men who have been doing stupendous work in past 6 odd months. Without further ado, I welcome DGP ma'am to our district and would request her to commence the function. Your names will be taken one by one. Please come here. Salute, take your commendation letter, return back to your
quite a few weeks, but somehow something or the other kept coming up. I'm so glad that I've finally been able to come to Ri Bhoi district and on such an occasion. It's even greater pleasure that I noticed that you, the people who are getting recommendations and commendations and rewards today, come from every single unit of Ri Bhoi Police. Whether it's the armed branch, whether it's the unarmed branch, whether it's the SF10, whether it's the SOT, whether it's the PSOs, whether it's the drivers. I am so happy to see that there is this working together. It is this working together as a team which will lead us to greater achievements and greater glories. I wish you all the very best and congratulations once again.
Thank you.